Last issue we shared you how to perform angle measurement with DT10 to electronic theodolite. This issue we will show you how to perform Stadia surveying with DT10 to electronic theodolite. Step 1. Set up the theodolite above the tripod and level the instrument. Center the download plummet point before we start to work. Turn the horizontal tangent screw to adjust the horizontal direction. Turn the vertical tangent screw to adjust the vertical direction. Step 2. Set the leveling staff at the point to be surveyed. Step 3. Sight through the telescope of the theodolite and determine the distance or stadia interval, d. We can rotate this telescope focusing ring to adjust the focus and clarity. Through the telescope, we can see this crosshair. These are stadia hairs, divided into the top stadia hair and the bottom stadia hair. The stadia interval is the distance between the top stadia hair reading and the bottom stadia hair reading of the leveling staff. After confirming the stadia interval, d, the horizontal distance d from the center of the instrument to the leveling staff is equal to 100 times the stadia interval d. In general, the distance from the center of the theodolite to the leveling staff is found by sighting through the instrument on the leveling staff and multiplying the stadia interval by 100.
For more exciting contents, welcome to follow our channel Geodetics Surveying Technology. Thank you.